This is race 165, the third semi in Te Ihu. We have a red flag. Te Kuiti High School in lane 1. Lane 2, Te Kurakaupapa Māori o Mangere. Then we have Te Kurakaupapa o Ruamata, Campion College, Te Kurakaupapa Māori o Ngāuri a Maui, Hamilton Girls High School, Gisborne Girls High School, and New Plymouth Girls High School. And what a beautiful shot that was, to show just how close the teams were at the start. Whoa, this team here in lane 1, and lane 2 and lane 4. Te Kurakaupapa o Mangere in lane 2 and Campion College, the Kapiana Maidens in lane 4. I can also see an exhibition team out there in lane 9, Alwhanaunga no Tahiti. But it's 2 and 4 at the moment. 2 is Te Kurakaupapa Māori o Mangere and 4 Campion Kapiana Maidens. Kapiana Maidens will be the first to go into their turn. This is a co-ed school all the way from Turanganui, Akiwa. This is a Tahiti team. I'm pretty sure it's College de Paupau. Oh, wow, but 4 went in first, but 6 and 7 came out first. 6 is Hamilton Girls High School and 7 is Gisborne Girls High School. Now we have a race at Te Whānau. Here's 7, Gisborne Girls High School, Kōrehi, and an 8 is New Plymouth Girls High School. But it is Hamilton Girls High School in lane 6 that is currently leading this race. And I think Campion have clawed their way back and could still fight for their first position that they held before the turn. Hamilton Girls looking really strong here. Leading by a Waka length. 15 metres to go. Ko ngā toa ko Hamilton Girls Gold. Second place, Campion College, and lane 5, Te Kurakaupapa Māori o Ngāuri a Maui. Ka rawe. That was our final semi in the under-16 girls W6 500 metres. Koina ngā toa. Their team is called Gold, and they could possibly win gold with a race like that. And that was the Te Ihu Semi 3 off 3 under-16 girls W6 500 metres.